You want to make your automations smarter by using custom triggers. In this video, I will show you how to set up a custom trigger in GoHighLevel. So your workflows start exactly when you need them without any manual work. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to work smarter, not harder. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss our easy tech tutorial. And obviously check the link from the description for the 30 days free trial link, the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses. So check that out and let's get back to the video. So first of all, you have to log in your account in the GoHighLevel. Once you are logged in, just head over to this automation and then click on this create workflow. Now go with this start from scratch. Now simply just rename or change the name of this workflow. Now click on this add new trigger. Now from here just choose your needed trigger here, like the form submitted, the appointment bookings, or the add tag. So what you need, for example, I'm going with this form submitted, and you can change or customize the name of this trigger. I am going to give it name as form submit, then click on this save trigger. Now click on this plus icon here to add an action and search for the action which you need. So for example, in this video I am going to use, let's say, add a contact tag. So then if you want, then you can change or customize this name also, but I am keeping as it is, add tag. Then you can select the tag. So I have these two, then I'm just selecting this one and just click on the save action. So if I want to give it a time or waiting time between this action and the trigger, I can do that by clicking here and search for the wait. Let's select this and you can change the name. Then let's say I want to give a wait time a 5 minute. Okay, so just set the time and click on this save. So this is how basically you can customize your trigger and the actions. So that's it, basically this is how you can do that. Now your custom trigger is ready by doing all of this, and it will start workflow automatically whenever you need the conditions are met, and it will start workflows automatically whenever the conditions are met. So that's it, you just set up your custom trigger in GoHighLevel. It's very quick and easy. So if this video helped you, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel, and don't forget to use the link from the description. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.